Okay, sure. Alright, folks, welcome back to the channel. As you've seen, we had my fiance's brother do the Fruity Pebbles syrup challenge. Tonight,
I got really sick.
We're making Sloppy Joes. But, not Sloppy Joes. It's Jim Beam bold and spicy barbecue sauce with Kraft barbecue sauce. And once again, you're gonna do the salt, pepper, ketchup, mustard, brown sugar, and that'll just bring all the flavoring together. So, of course, brown sugar, ketchup, and mustard's in the fridge. I already added the salt and pepper. So,
Your choice of brand, it doesn't really matter.
yeah, not really.
Unless you had the really good stuff.
What's the good stuff?
I don't remember. But look, salt, pepper, salt.
Salt, pepper, salt.
Toothpicks.
Salt, pepper, salt, pepper, salt.
Pure black pepper.
Okay. Now that that's done, we're going to bring this over here. Let me see.
Focus. Focus.
Make sure it's cooked all the way.
Well, he's doing that because, like,
Yeah,
broken.
Sucks. Okay. Zach, you want to try it?
Yep. Let me get a fork.
Hey.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Needs a little more time. It's a little dry.
Hopefully.
Good thing you didn't add the ingredient yet.
Yeah. So.
But the meat's almost done.
Yeah, this is 2 different types of meat. I have another set here just in case. And I have my assistant chef with me.
And the other one?
Oh, my 2 assistants. Sorry.
You got the assistant chef and the dishwasher. He doesn't do dishes very well. He gets 4 of them.
Next, get to cleaning. I said get to cleaning, not sitting.
You're fired, you donut. He looked like a big donut, doesn't he?
I should start kitchen episodes. You know, like have cooking episodes.
He looked like a wiener schnitzel. A schnatzel. Whoa! I bet you feel good, Dixie. Or was that you?
Not going to discuss that topic.
Oh. So that was him.
Dixie, did you just lick the rag?
Yes, she did. I'm sad I didn't catch it on camera.
Good.
Now you need to add your seasonings.
Okay, shut that off.
Time for his magic. Is this how you add the ingredients?
No. It's to drain all the grease.
Let me get this straight. Does this make us healthier?
By technical default. It's just so it's not all runny.
Okay. Strain out the grease. And then shake it all back into the pot.
Don't worry about the dishes right
No, I was just making sure it was nice and clean. Your sous chef won't get out of my way. You're fired.
So yes, I'm doing this in my work gear because I had just gotten off work and
Waiting to get a TV.
I got people hungry. So, alright, I'm going to start off with the brown sugar. Doesn't have to be a light brown sugar, but it helps.
Whatever brown you want. Can be really, really dark brown. Can even be black sugar.
Just sprinkle that. Whoa, that's a big chunk. Hello.
You can break it down.
Oh, yeah, just...
Sorry, I had to grab a toothpick, everybody.
There. Okay, brown sugar.
Yes, he washed his hands before he started.
Where'd that come from?
Oh, it was an egg coating on top of the fridge. Didn't even see it.
Yeah. Mustard.
Can't even taste the mustard when it's in there. Or the ketchup. Now, do you measure this out precisely, or do you just wing it?
Just go by test.
Taste?
Yeah.
Test? Go by test. I didn't know there was going to be a final exam on this. Oh, gosh. It beat off the bottle.
Gotta get it all down in there, man.
Good thing you don't got to worry about monetization.
I mean, technically I do, but, you know.
You don't have any Google ads.
Screw you two.
Till they ban you. That's when you make another account.
Make it look pretty.
Looks like you tried to make a giant hot dog out of it.
I mean, hey, if that's what you're going for.
Hey, we can play tic-tac-toe. Ketchup and mustard, X's and O's. Kind of starts off with like a pentagram, and then you finish it off with like a square.
Ketchup.
It's a square game.
Kraft barbecue sauce.
You could tell we've made, well, he's made this before. Because, he's low on barbecue sauce.
Then I'll need my taste tester out here.
Need the other one.
Speaking of which, here she comes.
Nope. Taste test. Yes, come here. Come, Heather! Woo!
Holy crap, you're using a lot of sauce.
Oh, you guys knew. Let's be honest.
Alright. Salt, pepper, brown sugar, ketchup, mustard,
Sneeze.
Jim Beam barbecue sauce, Kraft barbecue sauce. I did forget a few ingredients. Like,
I was petting the FOIA system. Ooh.
garlic powder, an onion.
Does not matter the brand.
Does not, it's just what's cheap.
I told you to add some real onions too.
He's showing you what to make and how to make on a budget. And it tastes better than non-budget, actually. So before you judge, suck a cook.
Cook.
Cook. Yeah, suck a cook. For any kids that are watching, suck a cook. Suck a male chicken.
Suck the cuckoo clock.
Suck a cock-a-doodle-doo. Still sounds like cock.
And what you want to do, just get it
Taste
all
tester.
up.
Oh, she walked away.
She doesn't like being on camera much. And
No,
yes,
but she knows how to operate one.
I'm usually the camera person.
Yeah, same. But you guys stuffed me on camera one time, so how's it feel? This is just all gonna be famous. Not really, but out of like the 69 accounts that you made, or out of the 60 accounts that you made, 9 people are gonna see this. No plans. Lilo and Stitch. It's YouTube. Lilo and Snitch. How flavor? Yeah, just do your nose.
Tastes like the other night.
Toss in a little bit more onion.
Come on, stab it. It's pretty close. I used the dry side of my toothpick.
But other than that, I think, yeah. It's pretty close. You're gonna be really sad when you run out of that sauce.
Yeah. I think we're all gonna be sad when he runs out of that sauce. By the way, if you're taste testing for someone, use a toothpick. The sides are a little light on sauce. Like out here.
Oh, that's fine. I mean,
Yeah, you can just mix that towards the middle, it'll blend right in.
but overall,
It's there.
this is the budget
Sloppy goes.
That's right. That's what we named it. We named it Sloppy Goes. No, we named it Sloppy O's.
Yeah, sloppy O's. It's very intoxicating, the smell.
If you
It
could
smells
smell this,
just like sloppy joes, but way better.
I mean, I'll even Oh, dude, that does taste like Sunday.
Exactly like Sunday.
Mm.
Oh! Yeah, it was a magic bite.
If you guys want, you can use this recipe. Don't matter to me. But you know what? I would dare say I challenge Gordon Ramsay to make this better.
Well, you know he's going to if he sees it. Right?
If he would see this, I would dare him. I would dare.
Yes,
him
but
to make
he'd
this
call
better.
you a big donut. Or something along them
I'm
lines.
proud of my size.
Yeah. Ramsey's not.
But anyway, there you go. You got sloppy O's instead of sloppy Joes. Because normally I'd call them sloppy dads if my dad wouldn't make it.
Mmm.
So, there you go.
You're a sloppy dad.
And enjoy.
Yeah.
So we'll see you later.